Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can, where you can find the pumpkin as well as the cat's face on Dress to Impress. So they're all outside of VIP. If you come to the section, you can grab the pumpkin here and you can put it to the side, or you can place it on top of your head. And then you also have this cat face. It's you can actually see it, but I didn't know you could use it. It's actually here. You're just going to put it on and you can be a cat. Obviously I'm just gonna change, become a cute cat real quick here. Let me just change a few things. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. It would mean a lot to me. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.